Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing and coloring a U-part wig that I received from Luvme Hair. They also sent over a pair of flat irons, and I'm just unboxing the wig here. Well, my niece is. And it's just a blonde on the ends and black roots. So anyway, I mixed up some watercolor. I did the color crimson and I believe raging red. I was hoping that the hair came out to like a burgundy color, but it ended up, or like a deeper red, ended up coming out like more of a pink color, but it was still cute. So anyway, this is just me dipping the hair in there, just trying to test and see what color it's gonna be. And so it's coming out pink, so I'm just gonna dip it in there, leave it for 5 minutes, come back and check on it, and then here's the final color. It's like a hot pink, I want to say. So anyway, that's the hair dried. I braided some anchor braids around the leave out and around the edges, and did 2 large inside braids, and I'm just gonna sew this wig on. The wig comes with adjustable straps in the back, and it comes with those clip combs all the way around. So if you don't want to sew it down, you can just clip it in. You don't have to sew it, but I usually prefer to sew all of my U-part units down unless they ask for it to be clipped in. Okay, once you're done with the other side, sewing from front to back, then you just want to move over to the next side and just sew from the front all the way to the back until you run out of space. Okay, so you want to take some of that L'Oreal, I think it's called Sleek It. It's heat protectant spray. I'm just going to blow dry the hair out just a little bit, so just spray some of that L'Oreal heat protectant spray, or whatever kind of heat protectant spray you have, and just take a paddle brush and start blow drying it out. It was dry, I just wanted to straighten it out just a little bit because we had washed it and let it air dry. So anyway, just take your blow dryer, and by the way, that's a new blow dryer. It's by Hot Shot Tools. So anyway, get you some oil. I'm using a Nairobi oil, and put it on your leave out. And the only thing I regret not doing is I should have added an extra track in there, because she usually wears like a really full bang. And with this U-part wig, if you don't have like a whole lot of hair, you're not gonna get a really full bang with that. Okay, I'm finished curling it, so I'm just going to take some of that Shining Jam in the yellow container, and I like to just part the hair and put the Shining Jam in. It helps it lay down. For me, it can lay pretty much anybody's hair down, so I use the Shining Jam, and I'm just applying it all the way around around the front part. And I'm just gonna start laying her like baby hair or whatever, her edges, laying her edges. And there it is in the back. It looks really pretty. Only thing I wish I would have just added a couple of more tracks in her leave out though, so I could have gave her a fuller bang. But I can always go back and do that. But anyway, I just rubbed a little Nairobi oil through it, and I'm just gonna style it out, and I'll show y'all the finished look as soon as I'm done. Okay, so here's your finished look. Looks cute. This is the 18-inch blonde U-part wig by Luvme Hair. The links will be below. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.